caterer, I produce plantain chips. But along the line, I found myself so interested in capturing the moment.
For now, I don't have any knowledge on video editing.
Except from the applications on phones.
Well, one of my goals for this year is I must learn video editing.
One of the participants of video editing class.
I got to know about the video editing course through Mr. Ani Akimola, one of my favorite directors, on his Insta story.
Seeing that, it was just like nature bringing that in line to the goal for the year.
I actually know about this covenant through the Covenant Content Creation Community Group.
And it's free of charge.
I was so glad.
I had video editing in a different way, like, coming to join the videos together, and coming to this program, video editing program, has opened my eyes and made it broad that it's not just about joining a video, but it has to go to further length.
You must see editing like as if you want to do what? Read a book or write a book.
The facilitators are so intense, as in they are so detailed. They are not even holding back. They are just impacting, pouring it on us.
Even though you should be dumb, carry your daughter, you learn one thing. That one is very, very sure.
I've been opened to a whole lot of things. I mean, very, very fantastic fact.
They took us like they are taking a primary 2 student. Like, they give us every details.
They make it look very, very easy. And it's interactive, practical. No matter the stage you're in video editing, you will grasp it.
For somebody that said they didn't understand, let me take it again. Premiere Pro is auto syncing. This one I'm doing is manual syncing.
I've learned about capturing the moment, pre-production, production itself, post-production, marketing and distribution. I've learned a lot.
The sound effects.
I just updated something on my WhatsApp status concerning music editing, and someone just sent a message that he wants me to edit his music, which that is a stepping stone for me to get gig when it comes to music editing.
I've seen some equipment I've not seen before.
Taught us a lot of something that I can learn with hundreds of thousands, but I'm here, it's free.
So far, so well. The class has been so good.
I'm so grateful to God that I did not miss it.
I'm very happy that I'm a part of this big opportunity. I mean,
I had to risk my job for this program.
Environment they used for the training.
Oh my goodness, American Corner is a very, very conducive environment. It has everything you need for your research, and
it just gives you this urge to continue learning.
I mean, this is America in Nigeria. You don't have to be abroad and then access the world. They've got a good library space, they've got computers that we can work with. Even if I don't have internet, I can come here, access internet.
As you can see, we are learning in American style, while in Nigeria, you can see the background.
And I would like to say thank you to the tutors, thank you to American Corner, thank you to the entire crew. And yes,
my classmates,
they made the learning much more interesting.
Because I came in here as somebody who didn't even know anything about it. And by the time you sit close to 1 or 2 people, they put you through. Even after the main class, people will still stay longer hours just for their classmates.
Facilitator, the organizer, and the brain behind this 2 weeks editing training in conjunction with America Corner Ikeja. I want to tell you all that it is a wrap.
They are just so wonderful. They are amazing.
The team for this video editing course already launched a space on the internet at the edit space that anyone can access even after the lectures. And there's even room for internship. It's not just teaching us, we have to also practice, and in practicing, we can understand more, because like the saying goes, understanding makes the difference.
I'm really grateful to be in this video editing class. It's quite a humbling from American Corner and the director, Mr. Sheyi, to set up this program, and which has really impacted me.
Don't miss the next one.